Hello, ladies and gentlemen. As you know, in the previous lecture we have seen the difference between positive and normative economics. So today we're going to continue with the same theme, talking about other branches that exist in the economic sciences. In economics, there are two theories that describes the economic behavior or the individual economic behavior from two different perspectives. The first one is rational economics and the second one is behavioral economics. The theory of rational economics is based on the idea that all economic or human economic behavior are based on reason. That is to say, only reason and self-interest are what motivates an economic behavior. And therefore we can explain an economic behavior of an individual by defining his self-interest and reason. This theory is based on the concept of self-interest, which is in Arabic al-maslaha dhatiyya, a concept put forward by the father of economics, who is Adam Smith, who explains that when every individual acts in his own self-interest, it is in the favor of the interest of all the community. So from this point of view, this theory tends to predict the economic behavior of individuals based on their self-interest, and it tends to create models that can predict economic behavior based on reason. يعني هذه النظرية تقوم بالتنبؤ بسلوك الاقتصادي للفرد بناء على المصلحة الذاتية. This theory states that all economic choices that an individual makes are based on reason and self-interest. يعني هذه النظرية تقول بأن كل الاختيارات الاقتصادية التي يقوم بها الفرد مبنية على العقل والمصلحة الذاتية. However, behavioral economic theory states that not all human economic behavior can be predicted or described through reason and the concept of self-interest. The theory states that not all human decisions, therefore not all human economic decisions, are made according to reason or through a self-interest. The goal of the theory is to explain why some of human economic behavior are not predicted by classical models. The theory says that since humans are sometimes irrational and emotional beings and subject to influence of society, it is difficult to have one economic model that explains all human behaviors. It explains also that sometimes people act against their self-interest, and this is something to take into account while explaining the economic behavior in society. يعني هذه النظرية لا تؤمن بأن كل سلوك الاقتصادية للفرد يمكن أن تفسر بناء على العقل أو بناء على مفهوم المصلحة الذاتية، فهي تأخذ بعين الاعتبار عوامل أخرى مثل العقلانية لبعض الاختيارات أو تأثير المشاعر أو تأثير المجتمع على الفرد، وهي تقول أن لا يمكن أن يكون لدينا نموذج اقتصادي ثابت الذي يمكن أن يفسر كل تصرفات الاقتصادية للناس أو للأفراد، وهذا يعني يجب أخذ بعين الاعتبار عوامل أخرى مثل تأثير العاطفة وتأثير المجتمع وعوامل أخرى، ودرج هذه العوامل في النموذج الاقتصادي لكي يكون أكثر تكاملا.